Good morning, students. In last class, we had completed that exercise 10.4. That means vector product of two vectors, or in the sense a cross product of two vectors. And we learned some properties of that cross product, as well as we solved some questions on that cross product also. Okay. So today I am going to, we are going to discuss about scalar triple product. Scalar triple product or triple product. Okay. Scalar triple product. Actually, what is scalar triple product? Triple product means we have to take now. Still now what we learned? Dot product we learned of two vectors. Cross product we learned of two vectors. Isn't it? Now what we are learning? Triple product. Triple product. Triple product means what will be here? He will give three vectors: a bar, b bar, c bar. About that triple vector we have to multiply. How we have to multiply? How it will be defined as a triple vector? Okay, so that when you multiply that three vectors, what you will get as scalar you will get. Triple product always you will get a scalar only. That is why this one we are saying as scalar triple product. Scalar triple product. How it will be? See how the triple product is defined. Like a bar comma b bar comma c bar are any three non-zero vectors, or any three vectors. Okay. Then that scalar triple product is denoted by a bar dot b bar plus c bar. The scalar triple product is defined by or denoted by a bar dot b bar plus c bar. A bar dot b bar plus c bar. So a bar dot b bar plus c bar only is known as scalar triple product, or simply we should have to know as triple product. Triple product. Here see a bar dot. A bar means vector here. B bar plus c bar also vector one. Vector. Their dot product. What will be? What will get here? Scalar. What will get? Scalar. And this is denoted by, or you can read as like this: a bar, comma b bar, c bar. This one we should have to read as, or like this also you can read a bar, b bar, c bar. This one generally we should have to read as box A, B, C. What we should have to read? Box A, B, C. Box A, B, C means what is that one? Box A, B, C means what is that one? A bar dot b bar plus c bar. A bar dot b bar plus c bar. Okay. So box A, B, C means simply have to say as a triple product. Triple product are known as a scalar triple product. Scalar triple product. So simply will give like this: a bar dot b bar plus c bar. That means a bar, b bar, c bar, three vectors will give. What we have to find out? Find the scalar triple product. Scalar triple product means first what we have to find? B bar plus c bar we have to find. B bar plus c bar we have to find. Find this vector, and already a bar vector is there. Dot product. We have to multiply the dot product. We have to find that scalar product. Then you will get one scalar. That procedure or this definition is known as a scalar triple product. Scalar triple product. Simply this one we should have to denote it as a box A, B, C. We should have to read as a box A, B, C. Box A, B, C. Okay. If you try to define this one, what you get here? Suppose a bar vector and going like this. A1 I cap plus B, A1 A2. A2 J cap plus A3 K cap. Next, B bar is equal to B1 I cap plus B2 J cap plus B3 J cap. Next, C bar is equal to C1 is K cap. Okay. C1 I cap plus C2 J cap plus C3 K cap. It is A bar, B bar, C bar. First, what we have to find here? To find this scalar triple product. First, what we have to find? B bar plus C bar we have to find. So, first find B bar plus C bar. What is that one? B bar plus cross product. Cross product means what is that one? Determinant of these two vectors only not. I, J, K. So, what is that one? B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Now expand this one. I cap into B2, C3 minus B3, C2. Right? Next. Minus J cap into B1, C3 minus B3, C1 plus K cap into B1, C2 minus C1, B2 minus C1, B2. Right? Yes. It is B bar plus C bar. Next, what we have to find? A bar dot B bar plus C bar you have to find. Yes. So, A bar dot B bar plus C bar. Z equal to, what is A bar here? A1 I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 K cap into, it means dot product of this one. Dot product of this one means compulsory. That means we have to multiply this one. We have to multiply this one means I we have to multiply. Remaining r will be zeros or not. Dot product we already learned. I you have to multiply. J you have to multiply. K you have to multiply. Okay. If you multiply them, then what you get here? A1 into I dot I1. Okay. I dot I1 into A1 into the remainder. B2 C3 minus B3 C2. Next minus J into J dot J value 1. Next A2 into B1 C3 minus B3 C1. Okay. Next multiply these three. These two. A3 K cap dot K cap means 1. So A3 into B1 C2 minus C1 B2. Right? Just observe this one. In the place of I, in this product, in the place of I, in the place of J, in the place of K, what you got? A1, A2, A3 we get or not? Yes or no? So if you write this one, how you write here? In the place of I, in the place of what I am writing here? A1, in the place of J, what I am writing here? A2, in the place of what is that one? K, what I am writing here? A3. And remaining what are they? These two. B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. That means what you got here? A bar dot B bar plus C bar value. Here what you got? Here A bar dot B bar cross C bar is equal to what you got? Determinant of with these three vectors. Determinant of these three vectors. That means A bar dot B bar plus C bar means triple product. Scalar triple product means nothing but determinant of these three vectors. A bar, B bar, C bar, given vectors. Okay? Yes. So this one A bar dot B bar plus C bar means how we are denoting here? How we are reading here? Box A, B, C. Yes or no? Box A, B, C is equal to A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Box ABC means A1, B1, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Understand? It is about a triple product. It is about a triple product. Okay? Yes, sir. Next. Just see from this one more. Just what I observed here from this one, I am writing this. What is that one? A bar, B bar, C bar. Is equal to what is that one? Determinant of these three vectors or not? Yes. ABC, cycle, BCA, B bar, C bar, A bar, and next C bar, A bar, B bar, C bar, A bar, B bar. These all values are equal. Why these all values are equal here? Why it is because A bar, B bar, C bar. We know the properties. Yeah, A bar, B bar, C bar means what is that one? A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Right? Yes or no? If you interchange any two rows or two columns, what will be? The determinant will be, sign will be changed or not? Sign will be changed. Yes or no? That two rows, two columns, two times I am doing. Two times sign will be changed. One time you will get minus, one time you will get minus. What will you get here? Plus you will get or not? Just to see, BCA means B change, C change, total 3 are changed or not? 3 and the 2 times are changed. Then what will be? This determinative and this determinative, these all will be equal. These all will be equal. That means this cycle. Just observe here. A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B. These all determinant values will be equal. That means this is a triple product, this triple product, this is triple product also equal. All these triple products are equal. Okay. And one more thing here. One more thing. See, A box ABC. Box ABC means what is that one? How we have written? A bar dot B bar plus C bar. Yes or no? Box BCA. That means what is that one? B bar dot C bar plus A bar. Yes or no? Yes. Box CAB. CAB means what is CAB? C bar dot A bar plus B bar. Okay, this all will be equal. And this dot product. Dot product means scalar or not? Scalar. Scalar means if you multiply A bar dot B bar plus C bar, or else B bar plus C bar dot A bar, both will be gives same value. Both will be gives same value. Okay, this is also B bar dot C bar plus A bar, or else C bar plus A bar dot B bar, both will be gives same one. Okay, why? Because I into I dot product means what is that one? I you have to multiply, J you have to multiply, K components you have to multiply. Okay, and what about this one? This value is equal to what is that one? A bar plus B bar dot C bar. These all values will be equal. This value equal to this one, this value equal to this one, this value equal. That means that dot product you can take either here or this side also. Okay, so these are the properties. These are the properties. Remember that one. And next, suppose see. Box ABC, A bar, B bar, C bar. This value, suppose here what I am doing here, only these two only I am changing. Suppose these two rows only I am changing. Box ABC means determinant or not? Box ABC means determinant. If suppose these is A bar means that components, scalar components, first row, second row, third row you will get. First row, second row, third row you will get. Suppose these two rows are I am changing. These two rows are I am changing. Then what about the determinant? This determinant is A bar, it is determinant. Okay, next what I am doing here, see, A bar is I can like that only, C bar, B bar. I am writing like this. What will be? This determinant, you will get some value. What about this determinant? What about this determinant? Only these two rows will be changed. Whenever you change these two rows, what will become? What will become? This determinant value is equal to this determinant value. That means what is that one? That values are same, but what will become? That value will be get a negative value. Okay, so that means A bar, B bar, C bar is equal. That means box ABC is equal to minus of A. If you change these two only, these two, or else if you change like this only, change these two only. B bar, A bar, C bar. If any two rows are changed, then that what will get here? The determinant value will be get changed, the sign will be changed. In the determinant value, what will be changed? Sign will be changed. Okay, it is about this triple product. Remember this one. Next. Simply remember only one thing. Triple product means determinant of that three vectors. That is the formula. Okay. Yes. Next. Here one more is there. What is that one? After this triple product, coplanar vectors. When do you say that three vectors are coplanar? Three vectors are coplanar. A bar, B bar, C bar are any three vectors. A bar, B bar, C bar are any three vectors. When you will say these three vectors are coplanar. Coplanar means suppose it is the plane. It is the plane. So these three vectors must be on it is A, it is B, it is C. Suppose A, B, C. These 3 points. Okay, these 3 points means position vectors. OA, OB, OC. OA, OB, OC. That is nothing but A bar, B bar, C bar. These 3 are must be on same coplanar. These 3 on same plane or not? Same plane or not? These 3 points A, B, C are on the same plane or not? Same plane. Same plane means you can say that the 3 points are coplanar. 3 points are same. O means same plane. Okay. So when you will say these 3 points are coplanar, whenever that box ABC, A bar, B bar, C bar is equal to 0. box ABC is equal to 0. Okay, box ABC is equal to 0, or else you have to say like this, or box AB bar AC bar, AB bar AC bar, and next AB AC. Okay, 4 will be given at that time. Okay, that is another formula. First remember this, that will constantly give when 4 vectors will be. Okay, so 4 vectors will be. When do you say 4 vectors means that 4 are different vectors will be given at that time. That another formula is there. I will explain that one. Just see here, 3 points are given. A bar, B bar, C bar. 3 vectors are given. These 3 vectors are coplanar. When do you say these 3 vectors are coplanar? When do you say these 3 vectors are coplanar? Box ABC is equal to 0. Box ABC means what is that one? A bar dot B bar plus C bar is equal to 0, or nothing but the determinant is equal to 0. Determinant equal to 0. What is the determinant here? Suppose A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C2, C3 is equal to 0. Okay, if this determinant is equal to 0, then our box ABC is equal to 0, then what is it? These 3 vectors A bar, B bar, C bar are coplanar. Coplanar. Okay, remember. Suppose 4 vectors are given. 4 vectors in the sense position vectors are given. OA, OB, OC, OD. Or else 4 points will be given. OA means nothing but pointer not. A, B, C, D. Like that 4 points will be given. Okay, prove that these 4 points are coplanar. Prove that these 4 points are coplanar. To prove these 4 points are coplanar, here what you have to find here? Box AB bar, AC bar, AD bar you have to find. This box is equal to 0. This box AB, AC, AD. AB, AC, AD. See what is the common point here? A compulsory must be have to take as common point. Okay. So AB, AC, AD. AB, AC, AD is equal to. That means box AB, AC, AD is equal to 0. That means this determinant. Here what we have to find? AB bar vector you have to find. AC bar vector you have to find. AD bar vector you have to find. After finding that one, find the determinant of these 3 vectors. If these 3 vectors is equal to 0, that box value is equal to 0. This box value is equal to 0. Then what is it? This is OA bar, OB bar, OC bar, OD bar. Or else A, B, C, D are coplanar vectors. Coplanar vectors. Okay, remember this. It is about scalar triple product. Scalar triple product. What is scalar triple product here? A bar, B bar, C bar are any 3 vectors. Then the product A bar dot B bar cross C bar. A bar dot B bar cross C bar is known as scalar triple product. Okay, yes. This one we should have to read as like this. Box A, B, C. That means A bar, B bar, C. Box A bar, B bar, C bar. Box A bar, B bar, C bar means a determinant of this A vector, B vector, C vector. Okay, if these 3 vectors, box ABC value 0, box ABC value 0, then what is it? That 3 vectors are A bar, B bar, C bar are coplanar. Coplanar. Okay, and one more point is there here. One more point is there. This dot product A bar dot B bar plus C bar. Okay, if you find magnitude of this A bar dot B bar plus C bar, magnitude of magnitude means A bar dot B bar cross C bar may be positive or may be negative you get. If you take only positive values, that is known as area of parallelepiped. What do you say? Area of parallelepiped. What is parallelepiped? This A bar dot B bar plus C bar modulus. Mod means magnitude. Actually magnitude in the sense A bar dot B bar plus C bar, what will get here? Scalar you will get or not? Either may be positive scalar or negative scalar. If you take only positive value, then that positive value only is known as area of parallelepiped. What is parallelepiped? You know about parallelogram? What is parallelepiped? Parallelepiped means nothing it is. Suppose you know things of cuboid you know not. What it is? Cuboid. In this cuboid what it is? Rectangle. These are all rectangles or not? So it is a cube. Suppose Suppose just imagine this one. This cuboid will be like this, like this. That means what is that one? Each face a parallelogram. It is parallelogram, 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 parallelogram. If these are all parallelograms, then that is known as a paralleloid. Are you understanding or not? It is a cuboid. Cuboid means in this cuboid what are they? All are rectangles. Okay. In paralleloid what are they? Each face will be parallelograms. Each face will be parallelograms. That means how it will be? Just see. I will draw here. What is it? Parallelogram or not? It is also parallelogram. Okay. It is a paralleloid. It is paralleloid. In this paralleloid, each face, these all faces are parallelograms. These all faces are parallelograms. Okay. Here now what I am taking here? It is perpendicular vector. It is I am taking as suppose B bar I am taking. It is C bar I am taking. It is A bar I am taking. What about this one? This vector is perpendicular to B bar and C bar or not? Then what is it? This vector is known as B bar cross C bar. B bar cross C bar. Now we have to find the volume of this paralleloid. Volume of this paralleloid what will get here? Modulus of A bar dot B bar cross C bar is here. Modulus of A bar dot B bar cross C bar. How it will be? How it will be? This paralleloid. Paralleloid means what it will be? It will be like this cross or not? Yes. Now what do I find here? We have to find the area of this paralleloid. How can you find the area of this paralleloid? So not area, volume of paralleloid. How can you find the volume of this paralleloid? Volume of the paralleloid, what is the formula? Base into height. Base into height. So it is paralleloid suppose. For this paralleloid, what is the base here? Parallelogram. Base into height. Height we have to find another. It is a cuboid suppose. Cuboid. For this cuboid, perfectly it is the height or not? Perfect, it is a height or not? Paralleloid it may be little bit cross like this. So you cannot take it as height. You cannot take it as the height. So what we have to find here? First we have to find the height of this paralleloid. Height of this paralleloid we have to find. How can you find the height of the paralleloid? Height of the paralleloid is nothing but projection of this A bar on this cross vector B bar plus B. That is only height. It will be projection, it will become like this or not? It will become somewhere like this. That is the height of the projection of this A bar on this B bar cross C bar is known as height of this paralleloid. Height of the paralleloid. So what is the projection? Projection of A bar. Height is equal to height of a paralleloid. Paralleloid is equal to what is that one? Projection of A bar on this vector B bar plus C bar. On B bar plus C bar. So what is that one? What is the formula? What is the projection of A bar on B bar? What is the projection of A bar on B bar? What is the formula? A bar dot B bar by mod B bar. Yes or no? Yes. So now here also projection of A bar on B bar plus C bar means what is that one? A bar dot B bar plus C bar. This is the vector, right? By mod B bar plus C bar. Okay, but it is the height. Height means always being positive or not? Take magnitude. Total magnitude is already positive. Take here also magnitude. Okay, so it is the height of parallelogram. Okay, and next base. What is base here? Base is a parallelogram. Base is parallelogram. Base is parallelogram means what is the area of this parallelogram? B bar mod B bar plus C bar. Okay, so area of parallelogram. Area of base. Base parallelogram. Area of base parallelogram. What is the area of base parallelogram? It is parallelogram. For this one, what is the base here? It is the base only. For this paralleloid. What is the these two are adjacent sides. Then what is the area? Mod B bar plus C bar. Mod B bar plus C bar. Now what do I find here? Now area of paralleloid. sorry, not area, volume. Volume of parallelepiped. Volume of parallelepiped is equal to, what is the formula? Base area into height. Okay, so base into height. What is base here? Mod b bar cross c bar into height. What is height? It is the height of that. Modulus a bar dot b bar cross c bar by mod b bar cross c bar. So these are getting cancelled. Then what will be this? Modulus a bar dot b bar cross c bar. What is it? What is it? A bar dot b bar cross c bar means what it is? Well, a bar dot b bar cross c bar means triple product. Triple product or not? Yes. Modulus means that positive. Okay. So now the magnitude of or modulus of triple product. Modulus of triple product is known as volume of parallelepiped. Volume of parallelepiped. Okay, just remember this one. Actually, this proof is no need, but just remember here. A bar dot b bar plus c bar is known as what it is? Triple product. Triple product. Modulus of a bar dot b bar plus c bar means parallelepiped. Volume of parallelepiped. Volume of parallelepiped. Remember. That means here actually you don't know about this parallelepiped. If any question will be given, then you will be get confused. That is why I explained about this one parallelepiped. Still now you don't know about what is parallelepiped. Yes or no? This is not parallelepiped means one closed box like that. Okay, like what is the volume? So what is the cube? Like cuboid. But in this cube and cuboids, what are they? Either maybe rectangles or squares. But in this parallelepiped, what are they? Each and every what is the term? These faces, those are parallelograms. Okay, remember that one. So it is about the triple product. Now we will solve some questions on this triple product. Just a simple questions are there. What is? How can you find the triple product? And those all things. Okay. Actually, this triple product is not given in our textbook. It will be given in textbook only last of the answers, I think. Okay. Just come to that one. Here some questions are given. I am going to solve these questions. Okay. See. Here see question number example 26, page number 620 is actually in the textbook, page number 620. Page number 620. In this page number 620, example 26 is given. Example 26. I will not solve these questions, just I will tell you how to find. Okay, just find a bar. Here a bar is given. A bar 2i cap plus j cap plus 3j cap. B bar is given minus I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. C bar is given 3 I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. These three is given. What he is asking, find A bar dot B bar cross C bar is asking. That means what is that one? Scalar triple product. Scalar triple product. How can you find it? Nothing it is. Find it. There is nothing but box ABC. Box A, B, C. Box ABC. Nothing but we have to find the determinant of these three. Determinant of 2, 1, 3 minus 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2. This determinant you have to find. This determinant you have to find. That much only. That is the question number 26. What about 27? 27. Show that three vectors A bar, B bar, C bar are coplanar. Coplanar means what we have to prove? That the determinant is equal to what we have to prove? 0 we have to prove. That much only. So find this determinant of these three vectors. You will get 0. Then you can say that the three, what do you say? That the three vectors are coplanar. Okay? Yes. Here also 28 also depend upon 27 only. What is given? Find lambda if the three vectors are coplanar. Find lambda if the three vectors are coplanar. Three vectors are coplanar means what have you taken? that the determinant is equal to what we take? 0 we have to take. Or box A, this is equal to 0. Box A bar, B bar, C bar is equal to 0. Box A bar, B bar, C bar, or that or A bar and B bar plus C both are same only. Okay? Yes. This one is equal to we have to take 0. Or determinant is equal to take 0, and you will find after expanding this determinant, you will get that lambda value. Okay? Yes. And next, show that the 4 points A, B, C, D with the position vectors respectively are coplanar. I have given this formula also. What is that one? OA, OB, OC, OD. These 4 are position vectors. These 4 are position vectors. What we have to prove? These 4 position vectors we have to prove coplanar. Coplanar. That means how can you prove here? What we have to find? To prove this coplanar, first find AB bar vector. Next BC bar, AC bar vector. Next find AD bar vector. To prove coplanar, this box is equal to 0. Box AB, AC, AD vectors is equal to 0. That means first find AB bar vector, AC bar vector, and AD bar vector. Okay, and find this determinant. Find this determinant. If the determinant is equal to 0, you will get that these 4 vectors are coplanar. 4 vectors are coplanar. Okay, that is the example 29. Okay, yes. Next example 30 and 31 are there. These two are very, very important. This example 30 always is given. Okay, for 3 mark question. Always this question is given from this triple product and this coplanar also. Coplanar also. Very important. Okay. From these 5 or 6 questions, you will get always 2 questions. So this question we have to prove. What is given here? Example 30. Prove that box A bar plus B bar, comma B bar plus C bar, comma C bar A B B C C plus D is equal to box A bar plus B bar, B bar plus C bar plus A bar is equal to 2 into A bar, B bar, C bar. 2 into A bar, B bar, C bar. We have to put this one. Very, very, very important. Okay. And to prove this one, first take left hand side value. And it is box. Box like A, B, C. What is the formula of box A, B, C? A bar dot B bar plus C bar dot. We have to multiply it. We will simplify. Then you will get this back. Okay. First, what I am taking here? Let LHS. What is LHS? Box A bar plus B bar, B bar plus C bar, C bar plus A bar. Right? Yes. This one how can I write it? It is A, B, C. Box A, B, C means what is the formula? Since box A bar, B bar, C bar. What is the formula? A bar dot B bar plus C bar. Yes or no? So in A means A plus B, B means B plus A, C means A, C plus A. How can I write this one? How can I write it? A bar plus B bar. First vector dot. Next second vector. What are they? B bar plus C bar cross. Take like this. Okay. Cross C bar plus A bar. Clear? Yes. Now we have to multiply. So how we have to multiply this one? First I am going to do dot product first of all. This one into this one. Okay? So before that one, first I am going to simplify this box value first. Okay? So first write like this, as like this only. A bar plus B bar dot. See what is that? B cross C bar first. I am multiplying by B bar. Okay? B bar cross C bar. Okay? Yes. Next, B bar cross C bar plus B bar cross A bar. B bar cross A bar. Okay? Yes. Plus, first next by C bar. C bar cross C bar plus C bar cross A bar. Okay? Yes. C bar cross A bar. Okay? Just after here, what about this one? C bar cross C bar. Cross product of same vectors will be between 0 not. Yes. Since here C bar cross C bar equal to 0. So it is 0. Then what will be this? A bar plus B bar dot B bar cross C bar plus B bar cross A bar plus C bar cross A bar. Right? Next we have to multiply by A bar. Next B bar. A bar dot. This one vector. This one vector or not? One vector. Okay. A bar dot. This one vector. A bar dot. This one vector. Okay. Next B bar dot. This one vector. Plus B bar dot. Second vector. B bar dot. Third vector. Just to see. A bar dot B bar cross C bar. First. Plus A bar dot, it is first vector, okay, second vector, third vector. A bar dot first vector plus A bar dot second vector, B bar plus C bar, okay, plus A bar dot B bar plus C bar, A bar dot B bar plus, sorry, it is A bar, okay. Yes. Next, A bar dot C bar cross A bar. Okay. Next plus second B bar dot B bar cross C bar plus B bar dot B bar cross A bar plus B bar dot C bar cross A bar. Okay. Yes. Next what I am doing here? By the definition of triple product, A bar, B bar, C bar. A bar dot B bar plus C bar means what is it? Box A bar, B bar, C bar, right? Plus A bar dot B bar plus A bar, then A, B, C, right? So this also what is that one? A bar, B bar, A bar. Okay. Yes. Plus what about this one? A bar, C bar, A bar box. Plus this one B bar, C bar, right? Plus this one B bar, A bar. Okay. Next last one plus B bar, C bar, A bar. Okay. Just observe here. What about this value? What about this value? What about this value? And what about this value? In these values, what is that one? Two rows are repeated. A and A repeated. So two rows are repeated means this determinant is 0. 0. 0. Two rows are repeated. 0. Two rows are repeated. 0. Two rows are repeated. 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These all four values are zeros. Okay. Then finally what is left here? A bar, B bar, C bar plus this one 0, 0, 0, 0. Last one. B bar, C bar, A bar. What about this B bar, C bar, A bar value? It is also nothing but ABC only. I already given it first. The cycle will be equal ABC, BCA, CAB. Those all are equal only. Okay. So in ABC, BCA is there. So BC also you can write as ABC or not? Yes. So here I made here see that is equal to A bar, B bar, C bar plus this is also nothing but A bar, B bar, C bar. Okay. Yes. So ABC, box ABC, box ABC. How many times? 2 times of box ABC. 2 times of box ABC. That is equal to RHS. Hence, understand? So like this manner we have to solve this question. It is very, very important. Okay. Yes. And next one more question is there. That question you can solve yourself. You can solve yourself same like this only. A bar, B bar, C bar plus D bar is given. Okay. So that one you can solve yourself. Okay, just see. So that one that is also just 3/4 that steps only will become. What is given here? Example 31. Prove that. Box A bar, B bar, C bar plus D bar. A bar, B bar, C bar plus D bar is equal to A bar, B bar, C bar, plus A bar, B bar, D bar. We have to prove this, right? Yes. Just to prove that one. To prove that one, first take LHS. Apply that triple product. Okay. Then you will get that, and after simplification, you will get these values. Let LHS. What is LHS? Box A bar, B bar, C bar plus D bar. Okay. So by the definition of triple product, what we can take? A bar dot B bar cross C bar plus D bar. Can I write like this? A bar dot B bar cross C bar plus D bar. Okay. Now A bar dot, keep like that one. First cross product is there. First multiply these two. First what will be it? B bar cross C bar plus this one vector. Next B bar cross D bar. Clear? Next multiply by A bar with dot product. Multiply A bar dot B bar cross C bar plus A bar dot B bar cross D bar. Right? So what it is? A dot B bar cross C bar means what is that one? Box A B C plus A D B. A dot B cross D. What is that one? It is also box A B D. Box A. That is only one. Okay? That is equal to R. Answer? Understand? It is about scalar triple product. Scalar triple product of 3 vectors. Okay? Remember about this one. So mostly from this one also we are getting 1 or 2 questions. Okay? So prepare well. So it was the last concept I think so from this vector algebra. Okay? So tomorrow Monday onwards I will start a probability. Okay? So on Monday onwards I will start probability. Just please prepare this one. That first exercise and second exercise we are going to give the examination, this weekend exam. Okay?